Hello and welcome to our channel. If you're running projects in a stage gate process, you know that gate review is where key decisions happen. How do you make sure those meetings are productive and nothing gets missed? In this video, we'll walk through a proven checklist and practical tips to ensure your meeting leads to clear, informed decisions. Stage gate reviews are key decision points in manufacturing and product development where project viability, risk, and resource alignment are evaluated. But many reviews fall short, not because the project lacks merit, but because the preparation misses the mark. The real challenge is delivering the right information clearly and completely so decision makers can act with confidence. Here's what you need to prepare for a successful stage gate review presentation. 1. Project overview. Provide a brief recap of the project's goal, scope, and current status to set the context for the review. 2. Deliverables status. List and clearly indicate which deliverables have been completed and which remain pending, focusing on the mandatory outputs defined for the current stage. 3. Updated business case. Summarize any updates to projected costs, revenues, market assumptions, or timelines that impact the business case. 4. Risk and issue assessment. Present key risks, including any changes since the last review, along with mitigation strategies and newly identified risks. 5. Resource review. Confirm that the project has or will have the necessary team, equipment, and budget in place for the next phase. 6. Lessons learned. This point is optional but valuable. Share relevant learnings or early warnings from the current stage that could improve execution in future phases. And finally, 7. Recommendation. End with a clear proposal. Proceed, hold, redirect, or terminate, and provide justification based on the review. Gate reviews take time to prepare, but the right tools and workflows can make the process faster, more accurate, and far less stressful. Here are practical ways to simplify your preparation and keep things on track. Structure your projects by stage and gate. Use a project management solution that reflects your stage gate framework. This helps you track deliverables stage by stage and easily see what's needed for each review. Centralize your project information. Keep all documents, plans, and deliverables in one shared workspace. This cuts down time spent searching through folders or chasing down the latest versions. Automate reporting where possible. Instead of building every slide manually, pull project status, timelines, and budget figures from live data. You'll save time and reduce errors. Use templates for reviews. Standard templates for gate presentations and business case updates keep your messaging consistent and make reviews easier to follow. Track deliverables and risks digitally. Log key items in a central system. This helps you spot gaps early and ensures you're not overlooking anything required for the review. Enable real-time collaboration. Let team members contribute updates directly. Shared access improves accuracy and lightens the load on project leaders. Small changes in how you work can lead to big improvements in how you prepare. The more streamlined your process, the more confident and focused your reviews will be, especially when supported by a project management solution designed to handle stage gate workflows. Effective stage gate reviews are structured, data-driven, and action-oriented. By applying these principles, you'll strengthen governance, improve project outcomes, and build greater confidence among stakeholders. Want to learn more? Explore our other videos on stage gate and gate reviews, and check out the links below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching and see you next time.